Assalamu alaikum. Hi, Oracle Reiki Spiritual Healer. And today we are talking about issues dealing with the nerves. And a lot of the health issues that you have reached out to me, we heal those types of health issues, clinical issues, nervous conditions, nerve damage, nerve pain, any kind of these types of pinched nerves or anything that's dealing with the nerves. We deal with that as a Reiki healing kind of method. And we use the healing methods that God has given to us to heal these. And let's get into, what is going on with these overactive nerves that you're having, this pain that you're having from your nervous condition. And many times this comes from trauma, different kinds of trauma, and your body is trying to separate this trauma that you have been experiencing either from your family or from an attack, a spiritual attack. You're trying to separate yourself from this negative attack upon your body, upon your mind, upon your health. And so your nerves start to fire, as a way to let you know that these types of attacks have harmed you in some kind of way. They are warning you that, there is something around you, someone around you that is sending these attacks upon you. So this is, kind of the warning system, the nervous system letting you know that there is something not quite right going on either in your physical surroundings. It might be your house. It might be, something negative in your house that's causing these types of attacks upon your body. It may be that you have experienced so much trauma that your body is trying to fight off these types of, words, these people that have said demeaning words, who have tried to, degrade you in front of people, who did not want you to be seen, the hurtful experiences in your life that has caused trauma. So when we have these types of understanding that the nervous system is the way in order to let us know that, we're absolutely right. There's something going on around us. When you're experiencing nervousness from people screaming, hollering at you, these types of abuses, your nervous system is letting you know that, you're not in a good environment. You need to move away. You need to do some healing, some, self-reflection. If you have, suffered, physical abuse, psychological abuse, SA, any of those types of things, male or female, you need to do a cleansing. So this is where we come in with the Reiki to heal the energy, to heal those parts of the body, the energy healing for those parts of the body that are having these negative effects and negative attacks upon the mind. So a lot of people have reached out to me about the pinched nerves in the hips, nervousness, from having childhood wounds. So when you're experiencing that kind of pain in the hip, is very different from that kind of pain that's in the mind. And this is why we practice the Reiki, laying hands on people, healing the energy, from their mind, clearing that type of energy out of their mind and their body, in order to, stop those attacks, in order to alter that kind of pain that is up on the body that can cause other pains. And then we will give you some other things that you can do with the holistic medicine. some rubs that you can do. You can do, some different kinds of meditations that you can do in order to clear this type of negative energy out of your body, in order to remove the negative energy out of your body. And and many times you can return it to sender, or you can return it to the ground, in order to make sure that this negative energy is detached from you, especially if you know the person. A lot of times we do not know the persons who have attacked us, or some people, they do not want to return to sender because it is their mother, their father, it is those people in their family that they are trying to maintain that connection with. So in those cases, we are able to return the negative energy to the ground, or to the fire, or to the wind, and let it be removed in the water with the cleansing and healing methods, in this holistic way, in this holistic methods that we use. So, I wanted you to understand the Reiki healing, methods, and the ways that they are applied to people who are experiencing different kinds of illnesses, different kinds of nervous conditions, different kinds of attacks on the mind and the body, in order to cleanse this negative energy. So, we also apply the holy books. We have to, pray over these people. We have to pray over the waters and whatever methods that we are using, and using the cleansing methods for the mind and the body, for the heart. We have to send you with a prescription, a Reiki prescription, to make sure that you're praying, to make sure that you're meditating, on the word of God when you are having these types of attacks, to calm the mind, to calm the nerves. So we have, many different healing methods that we use, given to us from the holy books, given to us, in different holy books, from the Holy Bible and the Holy Quran, in order to cleanse this negative energy. We also, again, use the healing remedies internally and externally when we have these types of attacks upon the mind and the body. And, like I say, the ginger remedies, the ginger holistic medicines that I have been giving you is also, good to block this inflammation, from further making you stagnant in your life, to stop some of the pain that you have been experiencing, until you can reach out to me and we can book you a life coaching session or a video chat session. So, this is what you will need for these type of debilitating attacks upon your mind and body. And this can definitely be sent out, with the evil eye. It can be sent out as a child, when you were a child, as an attack to control your gifts, to control your health and your finances. And when you start cleansing in this way, you will identify the person that has done those types of malevolent deeds or acts towards you. And you will be able to cleanse that negative energy, and send that negative energy back to, the person, or back to the pits of hell where it belongs. So, we want to make sure that we are having a connection to God, where we are asking God to preserve our mind, to block any kinds of attacks upon our health, our mind, body, and soul. When we are doing these Reiki sessions, we are able to cleanse these negative energies with foot baths and different kinds of baths and washes, so that you can move forward in your life and be healthy, and you can feel that healing energy that God has sent to all of us as the chosen ones. So I hope that you have received this message. You can reach out to me and book your one-on-one life coaching sessions. Book your consultation so I can acclimate a gift to your situation, your healing situation, whatever has been attacking you in a nervous or pinched nerves or nervous conditions that you may be having. You can also leave me a comment. You can donate to me, or you can like, share, and subscribe to me over all of my platforms. I'm High Oracle, Reiki Spiritual Healer. Assalamu alaikum.